Check this out. This is pretty wild. If you start with a parallelogram, see how opposite sides are congruent there, and then you decide to build a square off each side of that parallelogram, as shown here. See how those gray angles are all 90-degree angles? They're all congruent, right? Next, what we're going to do is we're going to plot the centers of those squares, as shown here. It turns out if you do that, those four square centers will actually be vertices of yet another square. We have another cameo appearance of another square. And look, all those angles are 90-degree angles. This is known as Thébault's theorem, believe it or not. And it doesn't matter the original size of the parallelogram. It doesn't matter the angles. As long as you build four squares off all of its sides and connect the centers of those squares, as shown here, you will get a cameo appearance of yet another square. Pretty fascinating. So, the big question is, how can we formally prove that phenomenon true?